Hey there, second grade. Welcome back to another remote learning math lesson with Mr. Enzi. Today we're going to review something that we've learned in the past called name collection boxes. And we're going to learn about all those different names that Mr. Enzi has again before we learn about all the different names that a number can have. So let's get started as I shrink myself into the corner. Today we are going to be doing grade 2 lesson 3.4 name collection boxes. And this is a review as we have done this before this year. Now you're going to need your whiteboard and your dry erase marker for this video lesson because we're going to practice some name collection boxes together. So make sure you go and get that whiteboard and dry erase marker. Now, you might remember Mr. Enzi has lots of different names. When I'm in school teaching math, they call me Mr. Enzi. When I'm at home hanging out, everybody calls me Dominic because that's my first name. When I'm with my niece and nephew, they don't call me Mr. Enzi or Dominic. They call me Uncle Dom. And then when I'm hanging out with my friends on the weekend, my buddies, they call me Renz. That's like my nickname. And then if I'm playing some baseball and I'm working teaching other people how to hit the ball and catch the ball, they call me Coach. So I have lots of different names, just like numbers do. Today, we are going to be practicing the name collection boxes again. A name collection box is a box to show the many names to make a given number. And we had went over this in another lesson, that you can use tally marks to show the number. You can use a domino. You can use addition or subtraction. You can use coins and money to make that number. Sometimes you can use a clock. Sometimes you can't if the number's too big. You can use base 10 blocks. You can also use word form. You can spell out the number in words. So there's lots of ways to make that number. I want to go ahead and take a look at our number. Our number is going to be the number 14. So on your whiteboard, you're going to want to write a 14 in the corner because that's what our whiteboard is going to be about. It's a name collection box for the number 14. Now I want to show you a strategy. In second grade, we should really be able to come up with addition and subtraction number models for any number. So let me go ahead and show you how I like to do it. If my lucky number is 14, I mark that on a number line. You can also use a number grid. And then I can pick any dot that I want. That's the amazing thing. I can pick 13. Now, for me to get to 14, I have to add 1. So I know 13 plus 1 equals 14. And I can write that in my name collection box. 13 plus 1. Now let's say I didn't start at 13. Maybe I started at 12. If I started at 12, then it would take 2 hops to get to 14. So I would have 12 plus 2. So 12 plus 2 also equals 14. And I can pick any single number that's less than 14 and find a number to add to it to get to 14. But addition's not the only thing that works. If I wanted to find subtraction, I would pick a number bigger than 14. 15 minus 1 gets me to 14. So I could write 15 minus 1 in my name collection box. Now, maybe I didn't start at 15. Maybe I started at 16. 16 minus 1 minus 2. So 16 minus 2 will equal 14. So the use of a number line or a number grid can help you find lots of addition and subtraction number models that will equal any given number. All right, my second grade mathematicians, I want you to hit the pause button. I found you 4 of our names for 14. I want you to keep working and see if you can find a total of 10 names for 14. Oh, and if you can find more than 10, wow, that is amazing. So hit that pause button, and once you find 10, go ahead and hit play, and we'll see if we got some of the same names for the number 14. Press pause. All right, I'm sure you found lots of names for 14. And I put some of the ones that I found in my name collection box. You might have had some of the same ones, like 17 minus 3, 10 plus 4, 7 plus 7, a doubles fact. I used coins, dime, penny, 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 penny. I used tally marks, 14, 18 minus 4, 14 minus 0. I use lots of addition and subtraction facts because I'm really good at that number line strategy. All right, let's take a look at another type of a problem that we're going to be able to solve. So you can clear off your whiteboard, because this time our direction and name collection box is going to be different. The directions say 3 names do not belong. Circle them. Write the name of the box on the tag. This is the tag right here. So that's where I write my name for my name collection box. So we have to figure out what our name is for our name collection box. But 3 of all of these number models and names do not belong. So we are going to have to try to figure out which ones do not belong. So here's the strategy. We have to solve every single problem. So let's start. 4 plus 4. What does that equal? 8. And I'm going to write the answer right next to it. 3 plus 3 plus 1. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. So right now, I don't know what my name collection box is. I don't know if it's the 8 box or the 7 box, because I have 2 names so far. Let's keep going. 5 plus 3. What's 5 plus 3? 5, 6, 7, 8. Another 8. Ooh, maybe our box is the 8 box. Let's keep going. 2 plus 6. Well, I like to start with the bigger number. 6, add 2, 7, 8. Another 8. Oh, I think I know, but let's keep going. 10 minus 1. 10, subtract 1, gives us 9. Now I have some tally marks. 5, 6, 7, 8. There's that 8 again. 9 plus 0. Anything plus 0 is itself, so it's 9. And our last one, 4 plus 2 plus 2. Well, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 plus 4 is 8. Now, there should be 3 names that do not belong. Do you see 3 answers that are different? 3 plus 3 plus 1 is different. The answer is a 7. 10 minus 1 is different. The answer is 9. And 9 plus 0 is different because the answer is 9. But all of my other problems, the answer is 8. So I'm going to write down the 8 in my tag on my name collection box. All right, second grade. Today we reviewed name collection boxes. And you're going to have an activity in Seesaw where you're going to get to practice some name collection boxes also. All right, my friends, from Mr. Renzi, Dominic, Uncle Dom, Renz, and Coach, we'll see you real soon. Go ahead and get started because I can't wait to see how smart you are.